I remember in college, I enjoyed watching legal programs, following legal proceedings, and I thought trial work would be a really enjoyable thing to do. But all of my training, all of my work had been in healthcare and a lot of interest in aviation. So I started thinking about combining healthcare, which I had worked so much in, along with law. And so after getting a master's degree in rehabilitation, I went ahead and went into law school, and it's worked out just that way. The cases that I deal with primarily, whether it's a trucking accident, whether it's medical negligence, all of them have underlying injuries. So knowledge of healthcare, biology, anatomy, etc., those things are really beneficial and really give an edge in carrying out trial prep and the trial itself. Again, whether it's a trucking case, medical malpractice, a car wreck case, a fall down where somebody's injured falling down, whether you're representing the company, whether you're representing a trucking company, whether you're representing the injured individual, you have to have that knowledge and access to it on both sides. I went to the University of Tennessee School of Law, and I searched for a firm that focused on healthcare as part of its practice. And I went into that firm and was able to try a lot of cases representing primarily physicians and medical malpractice actions. And then I've also represented at that firm where I was for years, trucking companies, and I was able to be exposed to really good attorneys and very interesting and complex cases. I elected to contact them, reach out to them, and be a part of this firm based on their reputation and the reputation they gained through great experience, good results, high level of skill, some fantastic attorneys here, and I'm glad to be a part of the team. I do a lot of medical negligence healthcare cases. I represent injured patients, and that is probably my primary focus. I also do some trucking law, and I still represent some companies, small family-owned companies and some very large corporations. But day in, day out, the healthcare law is primarily what I'm involved with. There was one case, I remember, I do aviation law as well, and there was one case where the FAA had taken an airman's pilot's license, which was obviously a serious issue. And we ended up, I represented the pilot, and we ended up in the Court of Appeals in Washington, D.C., and I was able to get a victory for him and a ruling that was basically created law, good law, very helpful to pilots, that was impacted pilots nationally. I got a ruling, a written opinion from the Court of Appeals that was very helpful to pilots all over the United States in future cases, something that could be cited as the law of our Court of Appeals out of the District of Columbia anyway. Well, at the end of the day, it's all about client satisfaction. We all want a nice place to work. We all want to enjoy our coworkers. We all want to make a living, but client satisfaction has to be and is the number one focus. It's the focus of our firm, and I would think that's exactly what our clients want our focus to be as well. And so that's what drives me.